let's talk about non-profits then. There are also some basic issues. Don't assume a donor is obliged to fund you. You need to attract the funds from partners that share your objectives. Build relationships based on trust and be transparent. This takes time, and your executive director needs to find the time. And I'm talking about leadership in the non-profit sector. People back leaders. That's how it works. It might not be fair, but that's how it works. And your leader has to be out there building those relationships. Ensure that your objectives dovetail with the objectives of your corporate partner and that your outcome indicators are agreed beforehand. You don't want to be arguing about that afterwards. Importantly, don't be swayed into mission drift because there's money involved. Don't take projects that you don't have the skills to do, that you're not interested in, just because there's money to keep you going. Ensure that you have a good paper trail and that you can account for all your funds. Put effective thanking and reporting systems in place and stick to your contracts. Report on time, both narrative and financial. Recognize your corporate partner both privately and publicly. Starting with a thank you letter, this can extend to a recognition event, a certificate of recognition, the naming of a space, a plaque on a wall, and publicity in your annual report and website. I just want to mention here with corporates, there's a fine line between marketing and corporate social investment. If you want someone with your corporate social investment funds to blow your trumpet for you, it has tax ramifications. You can't use CSI money for marketing. There's a different tax base for that. And SARS is watching. They will notice if too much attention is given to corporate marketing through their CSI. Bring your partner into the organization and share your achievements. Continually monitor your programs and projects and find the places where you can improve and share this knowledge with your donor. Be proactive about evaluations. Engage with the donor about what you would like to know in the evaluation and how you would like to see the process. Share what you want to learn. Very important, inform your partner immediately if things go wrong. You don't want them to hear about this from other sources. Be open and honest. What we do know is donors will stick to you if that basic contract of trust remains in place. Everybody knows things go wrong. If you write a report which says nothing went wrong, if I was in the corporate sector, I would have real doubts about the report. And most importantly, when dealing with corporates, understand that your champion in the company, such as the CSI officer, is accountable to his or her board. Your failures reflect on that person, and therefore it's important to maintain a transparent relationship and to answer questions that need to be asked. If that CSI officer continually comes back to you for more information about your budget or more information about your indicators before the grant is made, supply them. This person's not being a nuisance. They have to be able to sell your project to their board, and if that's the information they need, you need to supply it.